This section is simply going to put in some charts on a staff dashboard to show how the staff are performing at any one particular time. Some of these charts will try, they may not work, others will work very well, and it's about understanding which charts do and don't give you the information that you need. For a start off, make sure you are on staff dashboard as prepared in the last video. And the first chart we're going to insert will be a chart showing the productivity of the staff. So if we go to insert, it is much easier to see productivity in terms of a bar chart than almost any other chart. Feel free to try a few. The one I'm going to use just for a bit of fanciness is a 3D column chart. When we insert it into here, it is blank because we've not selected any data. We've not told it where the data is that it's taking its information from. So we go to select data. That's that one there. Click on it and this chart comes up here. We're now going to select our data ranges. So go to the productivity. Get that out of the way there. Now when we create this chart, we want to see how productive each member of staff is. So for that to be demonstrated on a chart, we need to first of all select their names, because we need to know who the hell they are, and then we select the earnings per hour. Now to do that, you've got to hold down the control key. So you highlight that lot, then hold down control and highlight that lot. Click OK, and that takes us back to and shows that our chart is now demonstrating earnings per hour for the staff. And it says it's earnings per hour, and we can see for each member of staff graphically how much they are earning, and we can see very much that David is a real high earner in this case, and this really demonstrates the benefits of charts because it's very visual. You can instantly see what people are doing. If we have a look at, for instance, staff hours, and we want to insert a chart that shows who's got the worst attendance records, then we can click away from that chart so you don't change it and insert a chart, and we'll insert another column chart. Let's just make it a 2D one, position it somewhere nice. Go to staff hours. Once again we need to highlight the staff, then make sure you can see what they are missing. Control, highlight that one. Let's do it again. Okay, click on the chart, go to design, notice chart tools up here. Click on select data. Let's go to staff hours. Move that slightly out the way so you can see what you're doing. Highlight the staff and their names, hold control down, highlight that range there, click OK, and again suddenly we can now see that John, Mohammed, Sue, Mark, Francois and Mary have been missing a certain number of days, and again it's a very graphical representation of what's been missed out and where. So for a couple of very easy charts demonstrating staff information, it's quite useful. What I'd like you to do at this point is look at the information on staff, and remember we are only working on staff, and create another couple of charts on this dashboard that would be useful for the business, and be prepared to have to stand up and explain why you've chosen those charts, why you've set them up the way you have, and what benefit they will be to the company.